Do you want to improve your balance and go from this to this? This practice is perfect for you. Let's get straight into it.
I want you to start on all fours. So come to table pose. Have your wrist under your shoulders. Feet at hip width. Knees under your hips. Hands at hip width. Hands pushing down against the floor. Knees pushing down. Try to have your spine in a neutral position. Inhale, bring your right leg out behind you. Try to keep your hips parallel, so not opening up your hips. Engage your core. Exhale, come down. Opposite side, inhale, extend the left leg out, so your hands are pushing down against the floor. Engage your core. Don't forget to breathe. Exhale, come down. This time, inhale, bring your right leg up. Exhale here. Inhale, bring your left arm up. Try to balance here. Engage your core. Look down to the floor if you can. Exhale. Hand and leg down. So don't forget to breathe at your own pace. Inhale, left leg up. Extend out behind you. Exhale here. Inhale, right arm up. Try to balance. Engage your core. Keep breathing. And then exhale, hand and leg down. This time, inhale, right arm, left leg up. Bend your knee. Bring your hand behind you. Try to catch your foot. If you can't, you can stay like this, don't worry. Go for it if you can. Catch your foot. Try to kick your leg back. Balance here, engage your core. And then exhale, release, come down. Same on the opposite side. Inhale, right arm, left leg up. So opposite sides, bend the knee. Catch your foot from behind. If not, stay like this, it's okay. If you catch your foot, I want to try to kick it back. Engage your core. Try to keep your body in the center of your mat. So try not to lean to the side. Try to keep your body there. And then exhale. Drop your hands and leg down. Make sure your toes are pointed. Bring your bum down to your heels. Open your knees nice and wide, wider than your mat. Walk your hands forward. Drop your head down to the floor. Relax here in child's pose. So just let go, release, breathe. And then when you're ready, inhale, come back up to table pose. Make sure your knees hip width, knees under your hips, tuck your toes in. Inhale, bring your bum up and back into downward facing dog. Walk your heels up and down here. So fingers are spread wide, pushing down onto the mat. Trying to bring your bum up towards the sky. And then walking your heels up and down just to stretch out your calves, your hamstrings. And try to bring your head in between your arms. Okay, so rather than having your head forwards, try to push so your head is in between your arms. Okay, and then gently stop your feet. You can bring your heels up off the floor or down to the floor. It's your choice here. Inhale, bring your right leg up to the sky, nice and high. Woo. And then bring the knee towards the chest, forwards, forwards. Try to bring between your hands. If you need some support, it's okay. So bring your foot between your hands. Bring the weight onto your right foot. Okay, bring your hands forwards. Have your arms below your shoulders. Okay, bring the left leg up. You can stay here. If you want to challenge more, Bring your left arm up to the sky. So here you can look down to the floor. Or if you want to challenge more, look up to the sky. If you want to challenge even more, bring your arm up. Open your chest and your hips towards the left side. Half moon pose. Ooh. Okay, keep balancing here. So your foot is pushing down onto the floor. Let's challenge. Bring your chest and hips facing down towards the floor. Arms extended out to the side. Into warrior 3. Keep balancing, keep breathing. So bring your gaze down to the floor. Challenge again. Inhale, you can bend your right knee. Bring your arms up. Balance here. Exhale, foot down to the floor. Arms down. Ooh. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to the floor. Step your feet back into downward facing dog. Same on the opposite side. Inhale, bring your left leg up to the sky. Point your toes. Ooh. Bend your knee. Bring it towards your chest. Bring your foot forward as much as you can. And then bring it between your hands. Same on the opposite side here. So bring the weight onto your left foot. The foot pushing down. Engage your toes. Bring your right leg up. Bring your hands under your shoulders. You can stay here looking down. If you want to challenge more, bring your right hand up to the sky. So try to keep your fingertips on the floor here. Open your hips and your chest to the right. If you want to challenge a bit more, try to bring your left hand off the floor, half moon. Even more is to look up to the sky. Ooh. Don't worry if you get a bit wobbly. So keep breathing, keep balancing here. Ooh, looking good. Challenge again. Bring your chest and your hips facing down towards the floor. Bring your gaze to the floor. Arms extended out, leg extended out. Keep breathing here in a warrior 3 variation. When you're ready, you can bend the knee, bring the energy into the center. Bend your right leg, arms up, knee out in front of you. Exhale, drop the leg, arms down. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Step your legs back. Downward facing dog. And just breathe here. So if you want to bend your knees, that's okay. So with your hands pushing down against the floor, try to push your bum up towards the sky. If you want a deeper stretch, you can try to push your heels down towards the floor. If it's too intense, you can bend your knees, not a problem. Then slowly walk your feet towards your hands, forward fold here. Have your feet at hip width. Relax here. Bend your knees. Look at your toes. Inhale, slowly roll up. Bring your head up last. Ooh. And then come stand in the center of your mat. Feet together. Spread your toes nice and wide. Push down to the floor. Bend your right knee, so coming up onto your tiptoes. Keep the left foot pushing down, toes spread wide. Right arm extended out behind you. Left hand on your right knee. Look forwards, gaze on a point. Keep your focus there. You can stay here. If you want to challenge a bit more, bring the knee up. You're trying to open your chest to the right side. If you want to challenge more, you can grab the outside of your foot, extend the leg. Okay, keep breathing here, balancing. Feel the stretch, the twist. So if this is too intense, you can drop down to here. If you're struggling and it's a bit too intense, you can stay here. Don't worry, just go wherever's good for you. And with practice, you'll be able to increase and get better, so don't worry. Woo! And then exhale, drop your arm and leg down. Same on the opposite side. So bring your feet together, toes spread wide, pushing down onto the floor. Bend your left knee on your tiptoes, right hand on your left leg, left hand behind. You can stay here. If you want to challenge more, you can bring your knee up, wherever's good for you. Remember, trying to open up your chest to the left. Try to keep your hips parallel to the front. If you want to challenge more, you can grab the outside of the foot. Okay, keep balancing. So you can choose where you want to balance. Here, here, or here. It's all your choice. Just have some fun. Enjoy. Okay, don't forget to look forwards, focus on the point, balance, keep breathing. Ooh, nice. And then exhale, drop your hand and leg down. Give your body a shake out. And then come sit down on your mat in a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands to your heart center. And just take a few breaths here. So you're going to inhale through your nose for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 4 as well. So let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to a natural, relaxed breath. Hands are towards your heart center. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, open your arms out to the side, back to your heart center. In reverse, inhale, reaching your arms out to the sky, palms together. Exhale down to your heart center. And thank you so much for joining. Thank you.
So how did that practice feel? Let me know in the comments. Practicing yoga regularly helps to improve your flexibility and mobility. So if you want to make English yoga a habit, click the subscribe button so it helps support me, so that I can help support you with your English yoga practice. Which is better, doing yoga online or in a studio? Wanna know? Watch this video right here.